Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English with Daham. If you are just starting to learn English, you are in the right place. Today, we are going to talk about greetings, one of the first things you need to know when speaking English. Let's begin with some informal greetings. These are great when you are speaking with friends, family, people your age. Hi, hello, hey, what's up? How's it going? These are casual and friendly. Example: Hey, hi, how are you? You can answer with something simple like, I'm good, thanks, or not bad. How about you? Now let's talk about formal greetings. You will use this when speaking to someone older in a professional situation or when you want to be polite. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How do you do? It's nice to meet you. These sound a little more serious and respectful. Another example. Good morning, Mr. Thomas. Good morning. How are you today? Notice how polite and respectful that sounds. Now, let's talk about responding to greetings. When someone says, How are you? You can say, I'm fine. Thank you. I'm doing great. I'm okay. Not too bad. Could be better if you want to be honest but polite. Now it's time to practice together. Repeat after me. Hello, how are you? I'm fine. Thank you. It's nice to meet you. Great job! You are already improving your English. Before we finish, here's a quick tip. In English, it's common to smile when greeting someone. A warm greeting can make a great first impression. That's it for today's lesson. Which greeting do you use the most? Leave a comment and let me know. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and come back for more lessons every week. See you next time on Speak English with Daham. Bye.